Going over the water.
Are you filming?
Huh?
Are you filming?
Yeah. Oh, this is kind of scary. Before we had like people between us and the dog. At the 59th Street Bridge. At this height, like hitting the water is like hitting concrete.
Yes.
It
Try not to.
if it didn't hurt so much, this would be so fun to jump off of.
You really have to land feet first,
Yeah.
otherwise you'll break bones.
The upper level at right now on the 59th Street Bridge looks clear, inbound and outbound. And here's Kate with the weather. It's fucking hot out here.
It's hot, don't go out. Turn the AC up. Screw Con Ed.
Better yet, go to Roosevelt Island, pay a quarter for the bus, and ride around the island all day long.
Yeah, it's nice and cold.
There's another one. The bus, the tram. I just don't like this part right here. This is where we swim. Yeah. This is awesome though. This is like dizzying. I've been there once. Oh, that's the fun part though. It's just knowing that you're this high and then you have that little swing. It's like, ooh. Welcome to New York City. First Avenue. And here comes the dip. Get ready for it. The dip. When I dip, you dip with me.
Let's just have to sing that.
Don't say that. Alright, now it's a tram ride. 3 minutes long.
Is that all it takes?
3 minutes.
Oh, makes sense because it's on the sign next tram 6 minutes. So 3 minutes over, 3 minutes back.
Second Avenue. And the end of our ride. I had fun on the tram. Did you enjoy the tram?
I did.
I had fun. That was it. 2nd Avenue.